What if we told you that you could continue protecting your car's critical components from unexpected repair expenses even from the 6th to the 10th year of ownership? Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today let's discover Maruti Suzuki Value Pack. To help protect your car from unexpected repair expenses, Maruti Suzuki has already offered protection solutions like Service-Activated Customer Convenience Package, which covers damage caused by hydrostatic lock, rodent bites and fuel adulteration, while Service-Activated Power Plus Warranty protects your engine, transmission and electrical systems. Now with Maruti Suzuki Value Pack, these benefits come together in a comprehensive package, giving you even greater peace of mind on every drive. Unlocking Maruti Suzuki's Value Pack is simple. Just avail a periodic maintenance service at any Maruti Suzuki Authorized dealer workshop and enjoy coverage for up to 1 year or 12,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. Built to extend your car's warranty and help protect you from unexpected repair expenses for your critical components like engine, transmission and electrical systems, with coverage against damage caused by hydrostatic lock, rodent bites and fuel adulteration, so you can drive with confidence for up to a decade. And the best part? This comprehensive protection comes at an unbeatable price. Visit your nearest Maruti Suzuki Authorized dealer workshop. Avail the Maruti Suzuki Value Pack with your periodic maintenance service and enjoy added peace of mind on every drive. What car care tip do you want next? Comment below. Stay tuned, stay informed.